Guys, welcome to your Tuesday task. What you'll see today is you have your warm-up game to play and then you have some problems to solve. Some of these you may like to do it in your maths book or you can choose the technology. What we have today is a fraction manipulatives to use, which the link is attached in the Google Classroom. So here's the links here to go to that. What I want you to do is to use these manipulatives. There are fraction ones, there are decimal ones, there are percentage ones, and I want you to tell me a story of percentages being used in real life context. Okay. And I want you to take a screenshot of that and then add it to the next slide. So for fractions, I'm going to add a photo of it here, and I'm going to type my story here. What do I mean by a story with fractions? Well, you can make that up, but I want you to think real life. So if I think about fractions is what they are, if I have maybe chocolate bars, I have one whole chocolate bar, okay, one whole piece of chocolate bar, and I was with so that was me, but I also went with my friend and he got one as well. We had two whole chocolate bars and we had one each. That's a bit of a story there. But we might have also had some younger siblings that couldn't eat a full bar. They maybe didn't have enough money. I don't know. You can make your story be whatever you like. So maybe you had to share that out and make sure that the one whole chocolate bar had to be shared in half. So I had a half, maybe my friend had another half, maybe their friend had one more half, and our little brother had another half as well. Or maybe it was a whole different story. You don't have to fill up all of these. You only have to have one line filled up if you like. I just need some sort of story that tells me real life fractions. Okay. It could be that you went to order pizzas and everyone loved an Aussie. So we got one full Aussie. We got one other pizza that was half meat lovers and it was also half barbecue chicken. I'm not sure. You tell me and be creative. What you'll need to do is be able to do that not only with fractions, but make a brand new story up that's similar, but a different story for decimals and percentages, knowing that they're all very well linked together. You should know this by now, but I want three different stories. But as we know, because they link together, your stories will be similar. You know, one about the chocolate bar, one about the pizza, one about the pies. There's lots of options that you could do to tell a story using real life fractions. So that's your task today with those before you go on and start using the number line to plot your decimals on.